Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we are going to show you how to replace the loudspeaker buzzer on iPhone SE 2020, also known as iPhone SE 2. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone, then undo two bottom screws by using a pendulum screwdriver. To take out the screen, you need a good suction cup or something similar. Here we are using a double-sided suction cup to lift the front assembly, and a plastic carbide tool for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Carefully work around on the edges and keep in mind, do not put too much force to lift the screen. It may damage internal flex cables. Lift the screen, then remove 4 screws and take out the protector shield. Then undo the touch and LCD connectors and also the battery connector. Let's move to the top right section near the camera. Remove 3 screws and remove the protector shield to disconnect the front camera assembly connector. And now you can separate both front screen and rear car sides. Next, move to the bottom and undo 3 more screws to release the protector shield on top of the charger port. Now on the right bottom where the speaker buzzer sits, undo 3 more screws and disconnect the plug. Raise the speaker cable a bit and pull the speaker by a tweezer. And then replace the loudspeaker buzzer with a new unit and start connecting the plug to the logic port, and then followed by adding 3 screws. Next, add the shield on top of the charger port by adding 3 screws. Now we can start connecting the screen to the body. First, connect the front camera assembly plug to the board and then the metal shield by inserting screws. And next we can plug the LCD, touch and battery connectors into the board. Before closing, make sure the phone works. And next, you can place the protector shield by adding screws on the LCD and touch plugs. Now we can clamp up the phone, clicking the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. Before inserting the bottom screws, make sure the LCD and touch is working fine. Once the verification has passed, complete the repair by adding 2 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.